So hello there, my name is Dominic and today I'm going to teach you how to reset old LG home theaters like this one. This is a discontinued product and the video that I did about resetting LG home theaters and HiFis, that method does not work on these old home theaters. So today I'm going to show you the alternative method to hard resetting these old LG home theaters. As of right now, I've connected the home theater to the TV. It's in USB mode, over here USB mode, and I have some files from YouTube audio library over here. I've also connected the speaker. It's off screen right now. If I play the music, I just press enter on the remote control. I can see over here it's playing, but I can't get any sound at all. Let me try another track. Still nothing. The only thing I'm left to do is to try and reset this machine. The first thing you should do is remove any discs inside the machine. I don't have any discs over here. So you press setup on your remote control. My remote control over here doesn't have a single digit on it. It's very old, but I know where setup is. Press setup. Go down to display. Select TV aspect. Then highlight 16:9. Do not click enter over here. Just highlight it. The next thing I'm going to do is to press this sequence of numbers 1397 and then press enter over here. This is 1397 So I'm going to just press them 1397 then I press enter. The enter is the button at the center over here, and you can see system information. I have the LG model number LHT750, although this is a 751. I guess the software is the same, but at the bottom over here you can see factory reset is done. So from this step you just switch off the machine, then you switch it on back again. So these are the files, and I just press play on the machine over here, and you can tell you already have sound. So that's how you had reset these old LG home theaters. As you saw, the old method did not work, but if you're very keen, you'll notice that this method is exactly the same method used to do hard resets on LG DVD players. So that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.